When we started operations, we looked at several options. When we looked at affordable inverter manufacturers, there were several Chinese brands that came up. And after that, we looked at several other criteria. GoodWe got highlighted mainly because one, the technology was mature and we wanted to go with it. And then at the same time, the positive customer reviews from your previous customers. So these criteria and a few others motivated us to go with GoodWe. Yes, so there's been quite a few milestones, and mainly the memorable occasions are based on some of the challenges that we faced in our installations as well. One of the things is that in 2019, we won a major bid to install solar PV systems in a government bank, Bank of Ceylon in Sri Lanka. They had several branches around the island, so we had to install solar PV, and they also needed monitoring. So this was the first time that SCC 1000, the GoodWe component, was installed in Sri Lanka. So we went through a whole exercise of getting support from the technical staff for design, development and deployment and commissioning later of the system. So that was a memorable thing because we had to work closely with GoodWe, get the technical expertise and make sure that we install a technically accurate and a long-lasting product in the Sri Lankan market. So we are particularly proud of that. Quite a few things. Again, if I am to pick one, that will be after sales and the technical support. GoodWe has provided us with spare parts and also training sessions so that we can go to the sites and do the after sales services promptly. As a company, we highly value that because we establish our reputation by being in a business that is long term. Solar PV systems are installed for definitely more than 10 years. So that trust that we have with the customers is very valuable. And the support by GoodWe has been very important to make sure that we continue that trust. So if the training we've received, the components, the timely components that we have received helped us a lot in our after-sales services as well. Yeah, so as a company, looking at the future of our organization, we mainly been into R&D. And also, we want to expand that work in partnership with GoodWe. In particular, we are looking at large-scale solar PV plants at the megawatt scale to do them, including battery backup with the latest technologies with GoodWe. And then we are also looking at the electric vehicle market, EV chargers. Since GoodWe has the entire suite of solutions, that's another thing that we're looking at. And at the same time, distributed energy is becoming a major thing, not just in Sri Lanka, but around the world. Developing mini-grid, microgrid solutions with intelligent energy management systems, that's one of the priorities for us. So that is something that we are looking to do in the future. So given that GoodWe has the whole suite of solutions, the software, the hardware available to make sure that can happen. So we're looking forward to working with GoodWe to make those products, to introduce those products to the Sri Lankan market as well.
We together.